and how do you know? What takes longer and how do you know? Oh, you got put on the spot, Emily. What takes longer and how do you know?
I think it's maybe 4/6 because if one half of a minute equals 30 minutes, probably.
Rephrase what you're thinking. 1/2 of a minute equals 30 minutes?
1/2 a minute equals 30 seconds because you're saying half of a minute and a minute is 60 seconds and half of 60 is 30. So if 4/6 is, I think 4/6 is more than 1/2 because it could be more seconds than 30 seconds.
How is Emily using her knowledge of fractions to correctly state that? How is she using her knowledge of fractions and what she knows about benchmark fractions and where fractions are in terms of greater than certain benchmarks or less than certain benchmarks? Geraldine, what do you think? So in other words, how does she know that 4/6 is greater than 1/2? Just looking solely, let's say we didn't even know how many seconds equals a minute. Just looking at those fractions, how do you know that 4/6 is greater?
I think that 4/6 is greater, just like Emily said, because if you divide 6 times 60, which is the seconds, it'll give you about like 10.
Let's forget about division, okay? Let's focus on our fractional knowledge. What do you know about halves and what do you notice about 4/6?
That 4/6 is greater than a half.
Why?
Because when you simplify the 4/6, it'll give you 2/3, and 2/3 is greater than a half.
Very good. But what else do we know about that 6 and how is it important to really analyze that 6? Gabby?
4/6 is greater than a half because a half of 6 is 3, and the fraction will be 3/6, and this is 1 more than a half.
Very good. So what Gabby knows is this represents 1/2. 1/2 represents 1/2. She knows that 4/6 is greater than half because what is half of 6? 3. But do we have 3 parts of that 6? No. We have 4/6, all right? So we have more than that half.